Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara. This one is a local one-owner clean Carfax vehicle, purchased new at Puyallup Chrysler Jeep and regularly serviced there. We do have a complimentary Carfax report that shows all that information. We recently took it in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Obviously, the owners were looking for a different chapter in their automotive lives, going from a more off-road oriented SUV like this to a luxury crossover Infiniti product. Has some nice extras. Pretty low mileage for 2014, only 25,772 miles. They average less than 10,000 miles a year, so it's fairly low mileage on this vehicle. And the Sahara is generally nice premium option package for the Wrangler. The Sahara generally isn't the more strippy trim level on the Jeep. It's usually one of the higher up trim levels. This one has a beautiful leather interior. You have heated seats. It has navigation. It has a backup camera, automatic dimming mirror, nice leather up steering wheel, and the steering wheel radio controls behind. And then we have some extras added on by the previous owners. You have to have these little grab handles with a little bit higher ride height. I'm not 100% sure, but it looks like to me it has a leveling kit with spacers on the rear with this beautiful wheel and tire package. I don't think it has a full-on lift kit, but I'm by not any means an expert on lifting vehicles, but maybe you can determine that yourself with the pictures, or if you come in and take a look at it. Really nice wheel and tire package. The Sahara also has body colored fenders. Usually on some of the other Jeep products, this is kind of a matte color. Likewise, the top on a lot of other Jeeps, it's a matte color. You have a body colored top on this one, and of course, like most Jeeps, top's removable. I think you can even still fold down the windshield on these, even though it's a little bit more labor intensive. It's one of the first and only production vehicles you can buy in the United States where you can fold down a windshield. Then they have this nice aftermarket rear bumper, and then we have the spare tire that matches the wheel and tire package. You see some people that cut corners, they'll spend the money to do the wheel and tire package, but then you'll still have the stock spare tire in the back. Maybe if you're going slow off-road, it might be okay, but I wouldn't want to drive I wouldn't want to drive this Jeep on the highway with the one stock wheel as a spare tire and have these other huge wheels. I don't think that would be very safe, but maybe I'm wrong, but to me that sounds kind of dangerous. Pretty easy to open this up for access to the trunk area, cargo area. And with the Unlimited, you have a little bit more space versus the short wheelbase Wrangler, making it a little bit more practical vehicle for the families. I've always been a big fan of Jeeps. I used to work at a Jeep dealership. I actually owned a Jeep Cherokee. Really cool vehicle. When I was in Hawaii, I rented a Wrangler for a week with the family, and there's just something, I don't know, that pulls at your heartstrings about Jeep Wranglers. It's almost like a magic carpet that can whisk you away to far off exotic places. Even though you might never do that, it's nice to know that you can. Or maybe if you get snowed in at your house, where you'd normally be stuck, you have a nice vehicle to get you out. And of course, we have beautiful off-road parks in the Pacific Northwest, and even though if you don't want to do some technical rock climbing, there's plenty of forest service roads where you can do light off-roading, get up in the mountains, get to the high desert, and get off the beaten path and get close to nature and see some beautiful vistas. And in this thing, you can sit on a mountaintop and nice cozy leather seats with the heated seats on. So you can go off-roading in luxury in this gorgeous Wrangler Unlimited. The heart of this Wrangler is a Pentastar V-6, which is a great engine. It makes 270 horsepower. It's a workhorse V6 of the Chrysler Jeep Dodge line. You can find it in a wide variety of vehicles, in the Ram. You can find it in the Dodge Challenger, the Charger. You can find it in the Durango. It's in a lot of different products. And the Wrangler makes about 270 horsepower. Plenty of get up and go. Obviously you don't want to go too fast in a vehicle like this. And that engine provides more than enough power for what you need to do in this Wrangler. If you always dreamed of owning a beautiful Wrangler, why not get one that already has some modifications done? I think most people who buy Wranglers are going to generally want to put wheels and tires on it, personalize it. Someone already spent the money on this one to do it, and a lot of times when you spend the money on it, you usually don't get it back when you trade it in or sell it. So why buy a stock one and throw money at it when someone else already did that for you? Contact us today. We'll be happy to assist, and if you happen to be an out-of-state customer, we can help arrange shipping just about anywhere in the US. Contact us for more details. Thanks for watching this video, and we hope to see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.